Damage control, you on there? Oh, hell. Oh, wait.
Man, for real?
Cut the music, cut the music, cut the music.
You see, this is what we go through at Damage Control.
Straight up. Snoring. Drink 1. This person 0. Can somebody wake them up? Go ahead and give you a shot at. Who else?
And your mama now?
Okay. Okay. You got a lot of shout-outs. Hey, can you hold on for me right quick? Damage control, you on there? Well, they getting some good sleep, man.
Are they serious?
Straight up,
man, we need to call our ID up here, man.
Yeah. Can you hold on for me? No, can you hold on for me? No, can you hold on for me? I'm gonna put you on hold, okay? I'm gonna put you on hold, okay? Just hold on. Hold on. Why that's so funny? They snoring on the phone. Live on the L.
Alright, that's a bit.
Ain't nobody wake them up random, man. What you leave them on hold or what? Hey, y'all, look, check it out, man. We about getting to some brand new little O, man. We're gonna get little O on the line for just a few minutes. Huh?
Is they still on?
Yeah, they still on line. Snoring like a mug.
Hey, we just gonna use them as
that's the instrumental.
That's the backdrop, right?
Hey, y'all, check it out, man. We about to get the homie little O on the line. You know what I'm saying? 90.1 KPLT. This is Damage Control. DJ Chill still in the mix, man. We still got some music we want to play in the screw album. Got some brand new. Hey, can we go ahead and play? Can we play?
I got the seal ready.
He got the.
He got it.
Well, let me call Lil O first. Let's play this K Reno. Let me get Lil O on the line so we can talk to him. We can play this music. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to everybody that call up here and snore on the phone. Hey, this is KPLT 90.1 Damage Control, man. We going live till 2 o'clock, man. After Damage Control, y'all stay tuned. I can't even concentrate. It's gonna be Bobby Fest with the Groove going live from 2 to 5. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna get that street king.
Y'all gonna get that street king and find out who was just snoring on our phone.
For real, they gonna
for the
stay
last 15 minutes.
They gonna stay on hold till they wake up.
And we not hanging them
Straight
up.
up. And I'm gonna post this show, and I'm like, look, this is you snoring. I really want them to wake up. I bet they got drool and slob and everything coming down the side of their mouth. They neck hanging off the side of the couch and everything. They shoe out and they foot everything. Man,
come on, play some music.
I wish you could just videotape
for real.
who this is,
We need some Skyping on.
Y'all give us a call, man. What line they on?
They on number 5.
Just don't be the 5th caller, because that line is finna stay tied up.
Straight up.
Give us a call, 713-526-5738. This is Damage Control.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Damage Control, you on there?
Hey, can I shut up?
Wait.
Yo, it's your buddy.
Wait. You good? You good over there? Hello?
Hello?
Mom.
Man, we scared off. Hello?
You still there, Mom?
You still there?
Damage Control, you still there?
Oh, I'm dead.
She woke up, man.
Damn.
Hello? Well, she never gonna call us back ever again. You there?
Hello?
Are you there?
Damage Control.
I'm gonna put her on hold, man. She might hung up call another line, man. Damage control, you on there?
Hi, I want to send a shout out to my husband, Roger, in Sugarland. I miss you, baby, and I love you, and I hope you're still there, because I want to go see you this weekend. I love you. Mwah.
What's your name, mama?
Leslie.
Leslie? You said Leslie?
Yes.
How long you been on hold? Huh? Hello?
Hello.
How long you been on hold?
Oh, I don't know.
Did you get enough rest?
Huh?
Did you get enough sleep? Yeah.
Are you well rested now? Hello?
I think she got narcolepsy.
Are you waking up and going to sleep? Hello?
She got narcolepsy.
J-Rock, man, that Peter, you know what I'm saying? Lil Don, free that J.